The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas. Stephen, Jim, guys, very good morning. Chris, good morning. Good morning. Guys, it is Thursday, July 16th. Hey, Ken, good morning. Hamid, fellas, good morning. Hubba, hubba, good morning. Guys, at the moment, I have no bots on. I have nothing on. Not bonds, not silver, not gold, nothing. We have 8:30 news, unemployment claims. Brad, very good morning. Good morning. We have continuing and initial unemployment. I have posted earnings in member Skype for companies that have reported this morning. If you guys are interested, it is in the member Skype chat. Good morning, Mark. But this morning, guys, we do have the huge, and if continuing initial job, we also have retail sales, which will be interesting. Philly Fed. But if history repeats itself, we will probably trade lower into and just after the employment numbers and then find a bid. I mean, that's kind of been the MO over the last 6 to 8 weeks. Initial support on the Nasdaq will come in around 533 all the way down to 20. If we blow 20, we start trading down to 500 area, 497. If we break below 84, 484, we trade to 454. So we'll see what we get there. But coming into the session, just about 1,250 net sellers overnight in the NASDAQ. Sellers in silver. Looks like silver's working to that $20 level. 24, 2,500 almost sellers in gold. Actually have net buyers in the YM, 350. Small sellers in crude, just over 500, and in the ES, 6,800 sellers. Russell, which again I care less about, 70 net sellers. Netflix reports tonight. I would expect them to beat. But next week's a big week, guys, with earnings. So in any event, we're here. We'll trade what we see. Which you mean from the update on Monday, Dean? Is there no longer an all bots off? I have not done the new upload. Anybody that took that short though just got target. I haven't done the new upload, so I don't have the most recent update. Is there no longer an all bots off here? If not, I believe he put it on this. I believe he put it on this. He moved all the bots to the summary window. So is there, I don't know why he did that. Is there a all bots off on the summary window? Yeah, it's on the summary window, Dean. So in the new update, again, I have not done it, and I may not do it. In the new update, everybody has limited functions of the summary window, I believe. Good morning, Kath. Probably head to VWAP, fellas. But again, I'm not. I don't have anything on. Bonds are bid just over the 180 handle. If you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome back to the room. Today is Thursday, second to last day of your trial. By now you should have probably figured it out that we do it better than anybody I've seen. Joel said there's an all on, all off button. Got to watch the video. Now he sounds like me. Watch the video. Let me read the disclaimer. And we'll get on with it. We actually get on with sitting. Hey, Ken, good morning and welcome to the room. I'll go over the room. I know we had two guys start today. So one is trialed before. There you go. Read the notes, you jackass. That's an old math teacher of mine, going back to about 1978. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. There's your disclaimer, fellas. On the 3-minute. Gold could pull back to 7. I'd like to see it hold here, 8.4. NASDAQ's headed to 20. NASDAQ's headed to 20. NASDAQ's next level is 20. Small buyers, small sellers is nothing. NASDAQ, here comes that. ES. NASDAQ's holding 22.5. Got sellers in gold. Bonds are bid and continue to bid. All right, out on gold. And bounces. You son of a gun. And it's bouncing. 6.5 is probably where gold is coming. We got our 20 target on the NASDAQ. If anybody took that. Anybody short NASDAQ? That 4.4 is going to be support. It's about what it hit. 4.5. There's support there. You can see it on a 5-minute. If we break down through 4.4, we start working to 0.32. Below 0.32, gold could get smashed. It's got to come below 0.32, fellas. And gold's going to get rocked. It's all sellers at the moment. They're not big, but they're sellers. I got small buyers in here now. Top of the hour, fellas, coming. 40 seconds. Gold can bounce. Gold can go back to 10. 1810. If it gets above 6.6, 6.7, 6.8 area, it can go to 1810. No, maybe not now. Looks like it wants to come down. It's got to break 4.4. Below 4.4, It popped back to 6.6 right now. It's right in the middle of nowhere. Watch gold on if I'm at breakfast, watch gold on a breakdown below 032. There's a small trend line right here, 4.9, which it held on a 5-minute. A push through that small, it's just a small trend line. It comes down to 4.4. It's got to break 4.4. There it is. It's below the trend line. 4.4 has to break. Still holding that support. It's been here too many times. It's got to break. There's 4.5 again. Hit 4.4 and bounced a couple ticks. That's what's got to break, guys, if you're in this trade. So if you can take ticks if you want them. I'm just looking at a 5-minute. All sellers. They're buying them up. Somebody's grabbing them for now. Look. Yeah, NQ broke out over 70. It's going to 81. I gave you guys the levels. Next target up is 81. Then it could, starts working into 90. I told you guys the numbers weren't that bad. The numbers were actually decent. Anybody long NASDAQ? Okay. They've pretty much bought everything back. We got a small 400 and or below 400 negative delta now. Okay, perfect. First target hit, 17 handles. Here we go. First target. Now I want to see this stay below 4.9. I'm going to turn the trail off. I'm going to go to break even. That'll probably get taken at break even. Watch gold below 3.2. Okay. All right, guys, I'll be back. I'm going to breakfast. All right, guys, I'm back. NASDAQ can bid to 616, give or take. I mean YM. There's first target. Oh, silver's in a long, fellas. Silver's in a long. So gold on the 377. I'm now break even +1. This should work up to 088, give or take as high as 10. Should get that second target. I'm going to put it out at the third. Stop is awfully tight, but we've got to punch through VWAP, right? Under 2. Minute and 15 seconds. Thirty seconds. Russell's in a short. 20. All right, guys, here we go. We're off.
Target filled. Target filled.
First target filled here. First target filled on silver. Both targets filled on the Russell. Russell. YM is short on the Uniranko. Let me see if I can get this the heck out of here. Both targets filled on the Russell. First target filled on silver. I'm going to move this to break even in 1. Same with gold. Gold is break even in 1. Get that out of here. There goes our NASDAQ, guys. We're going to 6, 10, 6. All right, I'm turning my other bots on, the small time frame stuff. Here is the 15 range. That's now on. All targets hit on the NASDAQ. I didn't have it on this morning, but this 3 minute, 17 and a quarter, 29 and 40 and a half handles. Got 2 targets. We didn't get target on the ES yet. Come on. All 3 targets hit on the 15 range. First target filled on the Uniranko. Okay, out. Out here.
Target filled.
Target filled where? We're short on the ES on the 3 minute. Did not hit first target yet. Oh, both targets hit on silver. That's where it was filled. Both target, first target off on the ES on the 3 minute. Both targets hit on silver, up 825. That's done. First target hit ES 3-minute. Gold still moving higher. The 8 range is also in a short, fellas. Has not hit first target yet. That's the ES. Come on, dog. Hit first target, did not fill. It hit it and did not fill, which I don't like. Can have it. I'm out. It may come down. I'm out. It's a small time frame. I took it off. It's out. It hit target. There it goes. There goes the ES. Come on, get that 5 handles. Let's go, slug. Got it. 7.5 handles total. Or I'm sorry, 10 handles total. That's done. All right, this is turning up. There's 15 range, went long. Here we go. Come on. Remember, it's a small time frame, guys, especially with this 5 and 10 range. We should get first target. It's right at resistance right here. Should get first target. No, maybe not. Come on, buyers. There we go. Nope, losing the buyers. Target filled. Order filled. YM is now long on the Uniranko. Ah, God. Everything's turning up. NASDAQ maybe back to 78. Small positive green delta. Got to get through VWAP. Come on, YM. Order filled. Order filled. Russell, NASDAQ short again on the 15 range. Got mixed time frames on the 1 and 3 minute. It's out. Good morning, Ronnie. There we go. That's the 15 range, guys. Broad commentary from the China Central Bank governor. Second target filled. Turn the trail on. Let me move this out. YM got to first target. 1 tick shy of first target. God, that works me. See if we can get over 6. Trail's on now, guys. One tick. Missed by one tick. Here we go again. Come on, push it up. Russell starting to get a bid. Russell's got to push through 63, 8 or 9. Closed out the runner on gold. There it is. First target filled. You're at your daily goal already, Patrick. See you tomorrow. Nice job. This is out. No. I mean, YM to go anywhere now has to get through 619. Call it 620. If it gets through 620, it'll go. If not, it's going to collapse back to 94. No trades in crude today. Out on the runner. No, not yet. Come on, YM. Get through that 20. Get back up through VWAP. Let's go. NASDAQ's long off VWAP. Okay, we're out here on this Uniranko. Again, small time frame stuff, guys. Trades better when the markets slow down. Bounced off VWAP. Up 690 on the 15 range. Our delta is holding around just under, give or take, 500. I don't have shorts at this point. Pullbacks, but no shorts. Long NASDAQ. The only thing that's firing trades at this point, guys, is the small time frame stuff. The bigger time frames are not. YM went to target on the 3-minute. I didn't have it on. I do now. It fired here. It's got first target. You can see these small ranges up and down around VWAP. 54 is support on NASDAQ now. If it gets there. Didn't get there. Tick range on the NASDAQ, guys, 182, which is excessive, although not as bad as we've seen. 54 is holding. There you go. If it gets up above 62, it can go. Bonds are staying bid. Bonds are staying bid. YM trying to push higher. Let me take a look at the markets, guys, quickly. Long YM. YM's long, 32, 33, 34. Stop has to be 05. Let's see here, guys. Dow futures are currently down 135. S&P is off 23. NASDAQ's off 121, 116. There's another 2 targets on 15 range, guys. I'm here. 2 targets on the 15 range. If I get this last target here, I will probably shut my 15 range off. And it's up 900. I'm going to shut that off for now. It's up 900. We're still hanging around 400 net buyers. I mean, buyers and sellers. I have shut my 15 range off for now. Another winner on the 15 range. Tick range has fallen to 150. ES is just a mess. ES is a complete mess. Gold is maintaining longs. I like gold longs, but it's slow. Still a fair amount of sellers. Bonds are turning south now. Still hanging around 400 net buyers in the NASDAQ, guys. 400 to 500. They're just batting them back and forth. Anybody take that YM long? Anybody take the YM long at 32? Anybody in the YM in that 30s area? Okay, Brad. You can move stop to 30, call it 42, 43. Your first target is 64, 65 was first target. They're right about there, 64, 65, and now it's free. We're going to have to get through 79.80, and you can target 735. I'll adjust stop for you. Here we go with a straight push again. ES is just, I told you guys earlier, YM had a bid. I mean, Russell's gotten back to VWAP, pretty close to it. Gold hanging out. YM best stop still 43. Got to get through 80, 81, and then you can target up in here, Brad. We're going at least on the NASDAQ, it looks like, to 02. If this gets through 80, we're going to 707. There it goes. Come on, buddy. Next level up, Brad, or anybody else that's in the YM, 707. 707. Above 707, we go 756. Above 707, 756. Bonds are turning over. Got a break here. This is our support. Come on. Short on the Unirenko on the YM. Got to break that 16, guys. We get the 34 handles. Really have to break 14. If you guys want your ticks, if you're in it, you want to take some ticks. It's your prerogative. Close the trade, take some risk off. If 14 breaks, this thing gets slaughtered quickly. So it's your prerogative. I mean, you got $800 trade here. Take it. Higher lows. Out. Not saying it can't come down. The pressure is definitely to the sell side. Come on, YM. If we break 1497 is your target, 497. Stupid little inside candle and a double bottom. There it goes. There's first target on the YM, guys. But they got them on the run here on the NASDAQ. They're really trying. It looks to me like they're loading up before they bust it out. All right, we're short now on the other 3 minute. I would expect a retracement in here, but 97 is, I don't know that that can get it. Now, this is a 3 minute chart with different settings, fellas. And then the high probability wants to short as well. First target only on the YM, but this is going to fail. Ronnie, would you send me an email with this is our support now, right? Guys, ES is trying to turn up. NASDAQ looks like it's trying to turn up, although struggling. ES and YM are in better shape. YM just came a few ticks from target here again, 3 ticks. Hit first target, no fill. There's first target on the YM. Our primary NASDAQ is still in shorts on the charts. YM's going to have to get through 07 again, same area. Through 07, it'll get both those targets. Bounced off entry. They're talking about the Moderna drug and their recent positive data. Came back to entry, bounced off the original entry. We know where our support is, right? Been here, what, 3 times? 1, 2, 3, 4, because you got the trade. Tesla down 69, Amazon down 84. This is just, it's gold. Told you I prefer the gold longs. Thank you. It's gold, fellas. This is just terrible trade. Still at 160 tick range, an hour into it, guys. Natural gas inventories, but I'm not paying any attention to it. 97 is going to give it support. If we blow 85, we're going to get crushed. If 85 goes, it's going to get absolutely annihilated. Thank you, Jeff. Anybody paid attention, guys? That was an order flow trade. I scalped it twice on the way down. I couldn't move my final target. So again, if you want ticks, take ticks. Anybody take the NASDAQ short, fellas? Other than Jeff? Okay, a few of you. We should come to 97, guys. It's right in front of you, Vipul. It's short, yes, right in front of you. That pullback was the reload. YM wants to roll over. This can go, there's 14, right back to 30. Can go to 30. Or drop right down to 97. Come on, buddy. Here comes 97 support. We're going to have support at 97, which we tagged. So you're going to have 97 support. We tag that. We really need to start working below 95. So again, if you guys want ticks, it's a nice trade, fellas. You know, $1,000 trade, right? Now, hasn't gone to target, but we've got to break through about 96.50, and we're going to get down to the bottom at 85. So below 96.50, we'll get really close to that target. It's trying to hold in here. So if you guys want to reduce risk, your prerogative. So for those of you guys that are on trial, this is our primary 3-minute chart. Right. Come on, buddy. Break them. I mean, you got them on the run now. The sellers got them. They could crush them here. There's an $1,800 trade, guys. Trade them as you see fit. That 88 might be a little out of reach. We got to 91. It's 34 handles, guys. Come on, dog. 91. 90. Oh, come on. Oh, you stink, man. Close. Told you it might be a little out of reach. $89.75. 4 ticks from that first target, guys. 4 ticks. This push should do it. It should get first target now. Come on. A little bit hot. Come on. Let's get it. Booyah. First target off. If we blow 85, we're getting those other targets, guys. If 85 blows 84, this thing gets crushed. Got to blow 84. Jimmy, I'm showing 140 tick range. Give you a downside target is now 10,454. 10,454. Come on, dump 84 and say goodbye. There it goes. Say goodbye. Say bye-bye. Come on. We're up around 1,600 sellers. Yeah, they might bounce this. They could bounce this back to 13, but I don't think so. There's no real buyers in here. Anybody in Europe is now gassed in the 40s, 50s area. So if they start covering shorts, or I mean longs, and closing trades, this could accelerate into the next 15 minutes. Got to collapse and they're gassed, fellas. They're gassed. You guys want to take another one off at 34 handles, it's your prerogative, but I think we're coming to 54. I think 54 is where we're headed. Come on, double bottomed at the low. We just double bottomed at the low. You can see it. They got to break that low. It's all selling pressure right now. Come on, break that 82 change. Come on, buddy. You know you're coming to 54. Attorney General Barr is criticizing China for hoarding vital and critical coronavirus supplies.
Order filled. Target filled.
No, gold shorted. It's got first target already. Gold's going to have to break down through support at about 06. This could come, gold could come to 1800, fellas. If it breaks that 032, it's coming to 1800. Come on. Sellers got them now, guys, on the NASDAQ. They got them. Oh, don't. Come on. You got them. Don't give them back an inch. This really needs to come to 54 to bounce, my opinion. Gold breaks 032, it hits 1800, below 032. Nice job, Martin. .032, correct, Barbara. 032. Oh, you dog. This is going to go back to 12. 12. All right, I closed it. That's off for the day. It's going to go back to 12. That's done for the day. Gold has hit both targets. Guys, I'll do totals. All right, fellas, let's do totals. I have no more bots on. NASDAQ on the 15 range up 915, 915. Silver up 825. NASDAQ on the 3-minute up 525. That's our primary 3-minute. Russell up 500. ES on the 3-minute up 500. NASDAQ on the 3-minute, high probability, up 105. Gold on the 3-minute up $60. ES on the Unirenco up $37.50. Gold on the 377 tick down $20. CL stopped me out to the tick and went to targets, down 450. YM on the Unirenco down 580. ES on the 8 range down 675. And this is the killer here. Our other NASDAQ chart down 33.35. Minus 1592.50. This is that trade. We got the sell, traded almost back into the top of the channel, not much through our stop, and then dropped like a brick. You'd have first target anyways. But NASDAQ's coming down today. We're going to see 54 today.